Okay guys, here's how we can contact Roblox support on mobile. So just load up the Roblox application. Then once we have the app open, we will click on more in the bottom right corner. And then here we'll scroll all the way down until we see help and safety. So click on help and safety and then click on violations and appeals. I know it's not going to be a violation or appeal here, but you will get this support appeal something not shown. So just click on support and we will have to type out our email address and confirm the email address as well. For the issue details, we will choose first the device that we use to play. I will use iPhone, and then type of help category. We will do, just as an example, account hacked. And then another menu will pop up here, so we can choose whichever option we need. So for example, I forgot my password, and in this field description of issue, you will type out your precise issue here. And if you have input your email in these two fields above, then you can click on continue, and this will contact Roblox support on mobile. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.